Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So as promised, this week I'm going to start to try and do a few more extra videos. So to start off with, I decided, let's work on this. So my plan is to leave the outside as the wood, but the inside I want to do the pattern. I've seen a few plates and things like that where it's the same kind of thing, where it's like the wood is on the outside and then you look on the inside and you have kind of a ceramic kind of thing to it. So I kind of want to mimic that and see how it go. I did manage to get some napkins. I got these off of Amazon. Gotta love some express Amazon delivery. So that's the pattern I'm going to go for. So got some sandpaper. So I'm going to sand the inside of this first, and then I'm going to paint it just so kind of give it the white base for the napkins. So yeah, I'm going to start off with sanding this. So let's go. Okay, so it's actually the next day. I have painted the inside of this. I did also use a bit of the napkin, so it was in two layers. So I used the backing layer, which was mostly white, to kind of create like a paper mache layer. I also give it some structure. It's actually quite hard now, which is good. So that's ready to go. I'm going to start to do the napkin part of itself next. So I've actually gone in and I've cut up a few pieces. I actually have quite a bit here. I might have gone a little bit crazy with it, but I'm going to figure out what kind of pattern I want to go for with this, and then I will start to glue that down. I also got the kind of the handles, and oof, this is a bit. So I tried something where I've seen this before, where essentially it's a mix of bicarb, salt, vinegar, and dish soap, and I've just kind of left that soaking in there for a bit, and it's actually changed the color a bit. It used to be more of a goldy kind of color. Now it's a bit more of a kind of a silvery, kind of bronzy kind of color. This definitely looks like it needs a bit of a scrub too, so I'm going to get some seal wool and I'm going to give it a go. You can kind of see that it's just kind of coming off, so which is good because like it was pretty dirty, so I'm happy to see that like a lot of the gunk is coming off and I can, you know, clean this up so it looks a lot nicer. And once I kind of figure out what pattern I'm going to go for the plate, I'll show you and then I'll start gluing it down. All right, let's do this. Okay, so I have finished it. I didn't film the last bit painting the edges, but here it is. So this is the finished result. I think it came out pretty nice. I'm actually quite happy with how this one came out. So like I said, I didn't film painting the edge. I was umming and ahhing about what I wanted to do. I tried a couple of different things. A few things I didn't like, and then I was looking through my paint stash and I found this beautiful blue, and I'm like, you know what, I think that would work quite nice. Yeah, so I finished off the inside with a couple of layers of Mod Podge, glossy Mod Podge. I might give it a couple of days and I may go over it again, maybe with Mod Podge, maybe even some acrylic varnish. I think I'm also definitely going to do the outside and some varnish as well, just to kind of seal it. I did end up leaving the back of it and the sides same wood color. Yeah, the handles polished up nicely. It was a bit funny. They started off quite gold, but after sitting in the solution for a bit, they've gone this more kind of paler kind of color compared to the underside. But I think this overall actually came out pretty nice for my first time trying something like this. So yeah, I'm actually pretty happy with this.
So yeah, well, thanks for coming along with me to do this one. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Tell me if you like it. Tell me if you would do anything different with this. Yeah, just let me know what you think. So I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.